Good afternoon, folks, and welcome back to the channel. We're just going to get right into this one. This is called the Rio Model here at Clayton Homes of East Palatka in northeastern Florida. We are so thankful for them to allow us to come and view this home. It's a doozy. Take a look at this one. Gorgeous right when you walk in. With the accent wall, opens to the kitchen. Guys, this is going to be a 3-bed, 2-bath coming in just under 1,600 square feet. Gorgeous from head to toe. We are so thankful to be able to come here today. Mario is going to be the man with the plan, and he is going to be the main contact. We'll put his contact information at the end of the channel and in the show notes. Give him a holler. Let him know that you saw this home on the Mobile Home Dealer YouTube channel, and he'll hook you up with a special show price. I guarantee it. Now, as we jump through here into the kitchen, a couple of things I want to highlight here. The open space. Open space is known in the Rio model. I like the separate entrance there on the side. Definitely a good setup. If you need to stick your head out of the window, yell at your brother, tell him that the lemonade's ready and ready to be drank here on a warm afternoon like today. Open kitchen with the island. Now, a couple of things in the island, guys, I like to point out. You got 3 bar stools here, kind of a pub style, but you do have what I call the knee savers. Okay, if you tall guys and tall gals, you know what I'm talking about. You can definitely scoot in there so your soup does not wind up on your pants like that happens to this guy all the time, and you have a nice hangover there as well. And I'm not talking about a wild Saturday night. No, I am talking about the actual bar itself on it. Now, the kitchen is well appointed with all of these cabinets all throughout, stainless steel. Mario and his team, they're going to toss them in there. Okay, they're going to be tossed in on the deal. Now, a couple other things I want to point out here. For a large island, you do have the sink in the middle, obviously. So that kind of breaks down a little bit of the functionality of this, but I do like that you have the open area for the dining room table. I also like that you have tons of usable storage space with this island. So that definitely helps out quite a bit with the home. Now, as this ties directly in, you know how I like all of the business being set up on the side of the home. But I also like the fact that they have this butler's pantry set up, but it's not walled off. I think that's cool. I think it definitely flows from the main kitchen to the butler's pantry on it. It definitely looks like it definitely belongs there. Tons of cabinets. The business side here with your laundry, and then your airy turn and your hot water tank there. Now, I also like how they have this open area here, perfectly set up to put a manufacturer, maybe a bench in there, or like a kid's locker, something like that, or even just a place to hang your keys, maybe your dog leash, something like that. So I like that setup as well. As we spin off to the side of the home here, we got 3 beds, 2 baths on this one. I like how they have the guest bedrooms all on one side of the home. Nicely set up. Good space. And then with a deep closet as well. So they're not being super chintzy on the space. Hey, let there be light. So we have plenty of space in the closets, which is very, very nice in this one. As we peel over, you have the second guest bedroom. I don't have the exact dimensions on this one, but I think it definitely is about the same size. So you're definitely not shortchanging one guest and putting them in the room with the futon. You definitely can have two good sized beds, 2 full bedroom setups. Bathroom with a single vanity, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. When you have a 3-bed, 2-bath, I think a single vanity is going to be totally fine. Totally enough space with it. It's just when you get to those 4 and 5 bedrooms and you have 1 sink, that gets to be a little tight. Tub shower combo looks great. Now with this one, you're obviously going to have the master bedroom on one side, both of the guests on the other. Okay, it's kind of your typical setup on a 3-2. Huge master bedroom. It's going to peel over to the even larger closet here. Now, guys, if you're new to the channel, You're gonna say, Mark, why do you have shingles? Why do you have this kind of stuff here in demo model? It's because it's a demo model, guys. A lot of times dealers, they just keep kind of the extra items for every home in the home itself. It's almost like it's self-contained storage unit. So pay no mind, those will be removed. Ensuite master bath, great size, dual vanities, tons of space. Now they did this setup here on the wall. I'll tell you what, it looks fantastic, but it's actually, if I get closer to it, it's actually a wallpaper. That's not tile. It looks like tile. They did a fantastic job with that print, but it's actually a wallpaper covering on it. So that's pretty cool. Huge stall there. Here's what I really like about the stall. Very, very big, okay? But look at how low that entry is. It's about a 4 to 6 inch entry on that. I'm a huge fan of that. Okay, we all have family members who have some trouble sometimes taking stairs. I know I do, you probably do as well. I think that'd work extremely well for a particular family member of mine with the lowest step, and they've got the space here. If they needed to install a grab rail, they'd be good to go. So nice job on that one, Clayton, thinking that one through. Toilet there in the corner, and a secondary closet here as well. Very large. I like the extra window. That definitely adds a little bit of customization to this home, and I can certainly appreciate that here in the Rio. So 2 closets, 2 master closets, 1 inside the bathroom, 1 outside, 3-2 on the split floor plan. I like it. I like the Rio. I think this is a winner. What do you think about this one, guys? Are you guys a fan? How it's set up? I think it's absolutely a winner on it. Now, when we're talking about pricing, guys, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put Mario's contact in the lower right-hand corner. We talked about him when we started the video. He's going to be the man with the plan. Give him a holler. Send him a text message. Let him know you're interested in the Rio. Ask him any question that you do have about it. He'll be more than happy to help in any way that he can. Thanks so much for coming on the virtual tour of the Rio. My name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer. And as always, folks, we'll see y'all on the next one.